They almost ready to be pulled.
My brother's cooking some good food up in here, man. Ain't no doubt about it, bro.
It smell good as hell.
Buffalo chicken, buffalo wings, and all that.
Nah, it's a different type of buffalo wings. I added my own seasoning to it. I'm unique. They seasoning ain't enough. I have to switch it up. You feel me?
Yeah, you have to do it. You have to do it your own way. The way you know how to do it. You know what I mean?
Look, I make sexy chicken.
Look at that.
My chicken will make you fall out.
Make your mouth water, so to speak.
Real. Stop playing.
Look at this one here, though. It's doing its thing.
I don't play no games. And no games been played. And no games been played. No games been played.
Look at this, bro.
No games been played.
Touch the sky.
No games been played. Tall, handsome, not complete.
No games played. Straight.
Look, hold on. It's my brother right here.
We're straight on this, bro. We're straight on the cooking. Ain't no playing games around here.
Man,
Shoot.
And you see, they still ain't took that bullshit filter off. You see that, right?
Yeah, like shoot, they need to get that fixed.
Yeah, ASAP. They have an electronic issue. I was trying to pull this. All of them. They all ready. Oh yeah, y'all didn't see the chimichangas I already took care of, huh? They ain't see the chimis, huh?
Chimichangas. They're cooking some chimichangas.
Look, you hear my voice?
It's coming back.
Look, slowly but surely, they coming back now. Look.
Like real,
Down on the chimneys.
Yeah. All the chimichangas, bro.
Ain't playing no games. Ain't playing no games. We get it in. Get it in for real, for real. I need to clean that oven down.
It look like it's
Hey,
like.
bro, could you bring me that silver skillet right there? Yep, that one right there.
Woohoo! Okay. Nice and easy.
Oh, they coming. I'm pulling the first batch out.
Yeah. Ooh, look at that. Making sure it's a little bit closer.
Ain't the heaven rotate that for that pop. You said bubble?
Yeah. But look at that, like this is some real soul food here.
There's some real cooking going on in this kitchen, man. I wish y'all was here to smell the house.
Yeah,
The
bro.
whole house is fumigating. When I cook, I put my foot in it.
Oh,
Look.
the fried buffalo wings.
Oh yeah, hold on.
The wings are
Let's get a better
fried.
look.
The wings are fried.
Go ahead, bruh. my brother singing.
Look at this one right here. Woo-wee.
And these are different flavors from those.
Yeah.
What I want to do is push these over to the side. I do push these to one side.
Strip, yeah. and then put the rest right on that side, you know.
Cause they coming out right now.
Mm-hmm.
That's how you cook. This grown man cooking right here. See, I'm from the South. See, I'm the type of man that do the cooking, the cleaning. I get down. But also I go to work. Shit, I don't sit in no house. We gets it in. Ain't no shortcomings in the kitchen when it comes to me cooking.
Yeah.
My people, we good. When I cook, it's over with. They over here waiting to eat this food.
The chef is here.
We got the whole house smelling good. Am I lying, bro?
The chef is here.
Look,
The chef is here.
And I don't do half-cooked chicken. Oh no, we don't do that. Nah, we don't do salmonella, no. I got my cooking. I got my Oklahoma cooking license. I got my license to cook in Texas. I got my license to cook in Detroit. I got my license to cook in a lot of states, man.
Almost everywhere.
Damn near. All right, yo. Oh, let me get it. My brother got his flashlight on.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sit y'all right here for a minute. I got to situate some things.
Look at all that, man. Perfect. Perfect to perfection.